Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog, another Jamaica vlog. So if you're new here, my name is Shanae. If you're not new here, welcome back. I appreciate it. I hope you guys are all subscribed to my channel. So I'm gonna do a little spend the day with me today. It's pretty early still. It's probably like 12. I'm gonna be going to Montego today, but I'm gonna take you guys along for the day. Why do my braids look like this? And I've actually been tying my hair down, which is the crazy thing because I don't even tie my hair down. I've been tying my hair down. Why do my braids look like this? Like I've had them in for like a month. And I've been trying to keep them in for as long as possible, but it's a week and I'm not going outside like this again. So I'm gonna take out these braids and then we'll see. I don't know, I'm gonna try to do something to my hair. So recap from the last vlog, I went to Negril, went to Margaritaville. It was just super chill. I walked to the beach, ate. That burger was not good that I had. Then I went to the Chill Pops spot. It was actually good. It lived up to my expectations from what I seen. I found them on TikTok, so that was great. And then I went to Woodstock, which was a little vibe. I liked that. They had a reggae live band or something like that. That was nice. You could sit, eat, drink, and just listen to the music, the people performing. And then I went to Jungle nightclub. So I did a lot yesterday. So it was a very eventful day. It was a very long day. That's why I woke up so late. Let me not lie, because I wake up late every day in Jamaica. But yeah. Alright guys, hair is done. It's definitely not giving what it needs to give because obviously I reused the braiding hair. I reused it. I did. So I am gonna take it out. If I take it out, I'll probably get another pack of braiding hair to redo the braid because I don't like how this is, or I'll just change my hair in general. I don't know, but it's gonna go for tonight. Just a little ponytail. So I'm gonna get ready for my evening / night out, and then I'll be back. We need skates.
You go do your one time, I before one time, I'm to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, that's what they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. Question.
to skate. But they have like this rail that you can hold on to when you don't know what you're doing, or when you're starting out. If you're not used to skating, it definitely helps. This is where I'm starting. Then you just pass people around. Everyone's just passing me by. But you see, like, I'm not on the reel now. I'm starting to get a hang of it. Hopefully I don't fall.
Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God. Make them they talk up, I see they fly like helicopter. Never the grace of God and inshallah we they move. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Question, but then no get the answer.
I'm getting a slush with a shot of rum. But we have until 11 p.m. to skate. It's currently 10:28, but we're trying to go out, so, and my legs are tired. Rollerblading, it's exercise. That's some real exercise. Thank you. Thank you. But yeah, they're actually like playing some good music that you can vibe to. Am I walking weird? I don't know. Am I? Guys, we're still going. They close at 12. Hey guys, we are leaving. The skating rink. I'll be back when we get to where we're going next.